Looking for a lawn services expert? Let me show you in the following video how easy it is to find the best lawn services expert in your area.
Looking for a full-service lawn maintenance contractor that delivers top-quality results at a very affordable price? Look no further. No need to spend hours on the phone trying to find the top lawn care professional in your area. We are here to help. We deliver quality, efficient and timely services, from trimming shrubs to mowing lawns, spreading fresh mulch, replanting flower beds, weeding, regular lawn maintenance, etc. We have the skills, expertise, and knowledge to best maintain your lawn in its full glory. We'll keep your lawn looking nice and properly groomed during all the season. When you hire us for a lawn care services job, we guarantee your satisfaction. Experience the quality of our services. Once you hire us, we will become your go-to lawn care maintenance provider.
I hope you feel a little better. Now that you know exactly where to find the lawn experts in your area, give us a call now.